Weddington, North Carolina homeowners. Do you have mold problems that need the help of a local mold removal contractor? Charlotte Crawlspace Solutions is a NORME-certified mold removal contractor with Crawlspace repair, mold, and odor remediation, and structural replacement experience. Call for your free inspection and get a $300 hotel voucher just for scheduling a free inspection. Dial 704-989-8219 or click the link below in the description to learn more. Here is a testimonial from a delighted customer. He said, recommend them to anyone needing mold remediation Crawlspace improvements. As a local family-run business, we depend on our 5-star ratings from satisfied Weddington, North Carolina homeowners. Call for your free inspection and a $300 hotel voucher.